Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Kasim and today I'm going to teach you how to download Udemy tutorials for free. That's not so difficult. You can do this easily. Just watch the video till end. Now let's start. First of all, I open my browser, then Google. Now just type in the search bar free tutorials EU. Enter. And here are many links appearing for tutorials, but I am opening the first link, freetutorials.eu. It's checking your browser. And here we are. And as you can see, there are a lot of tutorials and all of them are free for educational purposes. Here is the search bar. You can download, you can type anything you want to learn, like I'm typing Adobe. Here are the tutorials related to Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Lightroom or Premiere, etc. And now we'll learn how to download them. Just click on any tutorial. Here are the subscriptions for the tutorials, who is the writer and recorder, etc. Now just scroll down. Here's the button. Click on it and now you can download it easily through torrent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel to watch more videos.